Hi guys, I'm Cody Jay and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now today I'm going to be swatching all 18 of the iconic eyeshadows from the Blood Money palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Now, if you're wondering like, Cody, did you create this look using this palette? I sure did. I actually just created this look using this palette in yesterday's video, which is why I look the same if you saw that video. So today I just wanted to quickly run through all 18 of these shadows and just give you a nice little arm swatch just so you can kind of see them a little bit more up close, especially because I obviously couldn't use all of the shadows in yesterday's look. So if you want to see me swatch all 18 of these beautiful shadows, keep on watching. Okay, so just in case you guys hadn't seen yesterday's video, this is what the Blood Money palette looks like from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It has the beautiful hardware real quick. I just wanted to show you. It's got this little clasp that you switch to the side and you open it up. Inside there are 18 gorgeous shadows as you can see. So let's get to swatching. I'm just gonna go down the line and starting from top to bottom. So this is what they look like. Let's get swatching. Okay, we have Divine Intervention. We have Mint Condition, Chameleon Fetish, and Poison Ivy. I'm just gonna put these on the back of my arm. I'm not a swatch master, so don't even go there. This is the first one. Next one. Woo! That's stunning, stunning. How about you focus not on my face? Stunning. Alrighty, next we have Make It Rain, Crocodile Tears, Equity, and Money Heist. Oh, I messed up his little face in there. Like, oh wow. We love the little details though. So let's just start throwing this on. Wow, look at that one. Look at the shift in there. Woo, woo, stunning. Okay, I'm just gonna switch arms instead of wiping this one off because I don't want to. So we have CEO, we have Emerald Estate, Heavy Weighted, and what does that say? Jaded. Wow, that's stunning. Wow, that's also stunning. Gorgeous. Now keep in mind, these are obviously finger swatches, so they're not gonna be like perfect on the tail end, obviously, because I'm like just running my finger across it. It's also obviously different when you use your brushes on a primed eyelid. Just saying, these are just for illustration purposes, so just take that as you will. All right, next we have Private Island. We have Self-Made, Tax Free, and Persuasion. The shimmers, oh my gosh, the shimmers in this palette are everything. I mean, look at that gold one and the green. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Now the last two are Secret Stash and Black Card Limit. This is the one I haven't tried yet that I'm really, really excited for. Finger swatches make my palette dirty. Anyway, so here's this one. Whoa, it's like an oil slick. And this one. That is stunning. Oh my gosh, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So that is all 18 of the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Blood Money eyeshadow palette shadows swatched. Again, if you guys would like to see me kind of give you my thoughts and opinions on this palette and see me create this look, go check out yesterday's video. And if you are here from yesterday's video, thank you so much for watching 2 uploads in a row. I hope you enjoyed both of them. If you guys would like to follow me on my social media, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and TikTok, all at Cody Jay Artistry. And of course, if you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below. Click that big red subscribe button so you can join my YouTube family. Turn on my YouTube video post notifications by clicking that bell and switching it to all. And I thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.